Hey, my name's Chad Houston, and if you can hear this going on here, I'm actually roasting my own coffee. And if you look inside, you can hear that, and you hear all those cracking sounds. Okay, well, what happens is that's called the first crack when you roast coffee. Now, what's going on is that there's about 100 chemicals in those beans, and they're roasting. And what happens with the first crack is after this, it actually turns into an exothermic reaction. So what that means, it means heat is actually there's in these chemical reactions in the beans, it's giving off heat. So not only is it getting heat from the fire, but it's also getting heat from the bean itself. So at this point, if you're a roaster like I am, and you don't pay attention to the first crack and you just let things go and don't try to cool things down a little bit, what's going to happen is you'll get to the second crack so fast, you're going to wind up with a ton of burnt coffee. So this is part of thermodynamics. Now, remember, exothermic, the chemical reaction produces and gives off heat as a product, and it's an exothermic reaction. The delta H is actually negative. And in an endothermic reaction, which is not occurring right now, it actually takes in heat. That's like those cold packs when you break them and they get really cold, and we're going to look at that also. So exo and endothermic, it is important. I'd like to keep talking about it. I might burn my coffee. Right now, one of the things that we're doing is we're actually, if you don't cool the coffee beans down after this roast, they'll actually